मते दोषेति कर्तव्यता रूपसम्प्राप्तिरिष्यते तन्मते
when we suggest a title, the title should be explained in such a way that the problem is made. First thing you have to state about the title is, am I talking about a Dravya, Guna, Karma, or is it Samanya Vishesha, or is it some kind of relationship between two substances? So if you say Dosha iti kartavyata rupa, what do you want to discuss there?
Charaka is not explaining it. What Susruta defines as Samprapti is totally different. And again, we are not getting the picture for whatever the topic of discussion about Samprapti, the other text. And it is Chakrapani who try to explain this, and he doesn't uses the term Dosheti Kartavyata Rupa Samprapti or Vyadijanna Rupa Samprapti. In fact, this coinage is from Mathukosha, and it has two levels. One is the Dosheti Kartavyata Rupa Samprapti and its followers, as we find in Kerala, where the avastha of a particular process is given more importance rather than giving a combination or a management principle in general, but to see how this avastha progresses and how it can be tackled.
So, can you explain what is it that we have to discuss about?
The different opinions regarding that question.
Then your issue should be, are there serious differences of opinion
About Samprapti?
Because this topic itself can be discussed in multiple dimensions.
Yes.
At a very simple level, you are now telling that there are differences of opinion regarding the concept of Samprapti and the way it has been interpreted. Now, the fact, even to show that there is a difference of opinion, can be a discussion. Now, another person can say that there is no difference of opinion. So, we can even have a debate on whether there was a difference of opinion.
Whether there is a discussion problem in this statement.
That itself can be a matter of discussion.
So if we see that Purva Pakshas enumerated by Susruta as well as Sangrahakara, all the Purva Pakshas gives some logical thought at the first sight.
There may be difference in opinion. What I personally believe is, between these two statements there is no point of view.
The topic needs to be more adequately formulated. See, until we... it is...
No, we have to make...
We have to discuss like this. See, we should not run away.
This is the first phase of
the first phase of the process. So, see, every topic we are going to go through such scrutiny. Now, what the problem? It's a good topic, but the thing is, we have not reached a stage where it's ready for discussion. This is an interesting topic. Like, first, of course, we have to go from the first step. Now, if you are telling your view, there is a difference in understanding of Samprapti. If there is a debate and there is no difference, then we should not take up further discussion without first establishing whether there is really a difference in opinion.
Susruta Samhita, this Purva Rupa Jara Pradamana is indicated, I think, yes. And in Charaka Samhita, Jirna Jara Pradha is indicated. The administration of Pradha in Jara, there is a very strong opinion regarding somebody is telling that it is in the Purva Rupa. Purva Rupa and Charaka and specific Vada Jara is telling. And in Charaka Samhita, Vapada he is telling only in Jirna Jara. So both are having very clinical administration of a specific formulation in a specific disease. Acharyas are having two different opinions because two different clinical stages are also exclusively different. One is a Kapha dominant initial phase, Purva Rupa Avastha, one is a Vata dominant. I think such a specificity may be, and that is having some clinical application also.
Which rasa is made? Tikta rasa, Katu rasa?
So I think if you go like that, there will be more than different point of views may be there which may not be converged. We can make a particular point and two aspects. I think that may be better.
Bahulya in Amla rasa and Lavana rasa is controversial. So Amla, Prithvi and Teja, according to Ashtanga Sangraha and Charaka Samhita, and Amla is Jala and Teja according to Nesavaisheshika Sutra, and Jala and Teja also according to Sushruta, and in Lavana, Jala and Tejas according to Ashtanga Sangraha and Charaka Samhita. Tejas and Jala, again one is coming first according to Nesavaisheshika Sutra, Prithvi and Tejas according to Sushruta. So this is again a arousing kind of presentation where we are identifying serious because a very fundamental concept. If there is a difference of opinion, it needs to be explained.
And another thing is Rasa itself is a treatment tool. Kinjin Rasayana Kudri. So the selection, especially diseases like Amala etc., it may be important. But again, the problem is the reason. Reasoning is only one Acharya told. So all the time, whether it can be the reasons of Hedu. For this POV, I am telling technically, I am asking the doubt. Acharya only told, we have no other.
No, we need other additional supporting arguments.
That is what I
see. Because now from here, this you have identified there is a problem. But for it to become accepted for presentation, you need some support. You must be in favor of one of these views.
One of these two, based on Hedu.
Based on a Hedu.
Other than Acharya, that is the problem. Otherwise, we cannot go for the argument. We have to tell that when we give Amala Rasa for a particular condition, it alleviates maybe due to this. If there is no such a documentary evidence, we cannot grow beyond this law. Another interesting area would be in our Samhitas, the mode of action of all Bhuta Dravyas are mentioned, the Parthivam, Arpyam mentioned clearly. So what we can do is we can take some of the Amla dominant Dravyas which are clinically used and identify their mode of action in relation to the Bhuta treatment. Say for example, Amla and Agni is the Bhuta Sangha of Amla Rasa. And what we have to do is we select some 5 Amla Rasa drugs and see the other pharmacological actions which are attributed to Jala Mahabhuta, Agni Mahabhuta. If it is predominantly seen, then you can tell the reason